Fancy a stroll up into the air? There are no wires and this isn't trick photography. It's all skill and some ridiculously impressive muscles.
Meet Tim Livewire Sheep. He's the world champion freerunner and he has an amazing body.
Tim first started freerunning when he was 60 years old. Tim is a professional, so don't even think about trying this at home, or outside the home, or anywhere.
Before I start a new run, I'll always go and check every piece of equipment. That's very important, safety first. We'll check every wall that it's grippy, there's no loose bricks.
Look, he's like Spider-Man.
It's very important to us that we don't damage the environment we go into.
Did you know Tim is one of the few freerunners in the world able to control a one-handed handstand?
So how does Tim's body defy gravity?
To raise his entire body weight into the air, it's the massively mighty deltoids in Tim's shoulders.
Inside Tim's leg, he has developed stupendously strong quadriceps, the 4 muscles on the front of your thigh.
And his speciality, human flag.
A move which requires crazily powerful abdominal and lateral muscles to raise his legs high in the air. Now that's amazing.
So, that's amazing.
Really?
No. Let's head back to accident and emergency to see what's happening with our patient.
14-year-old Rachel is in hospital after coming in with a dislocated jaw. She was bored at home, you know how it is, nothing to do, so she opened her mouth wide and bit the sofa.
The things you do when you're bored.
But we have Dr. Shrook Messerhell on the case. Having given Rachel some medication to relax her jaw muscles, it's time for her to get to work on that jammed jaw.
Okay, just try not to bite onto me, sweetheart.
I just gripped hold of her jawbone, put my thumbs right at the back and just pushed down and back really quite hard. I was actually kind of kneeling on the bed to kind of get my weight behind it.
This might look extreme, but the lower jaw is one of the strongest bones in the body.
Good girl, you're doing great.
You okay?
That's
And I think we have success.
Is it back?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a star.
That was quick.
I didn't feel it clicking.
As soon as I let go, she was able to move her jaw. She was able to kind of actually clench the whole of her bottom teeth together.
My thumbs also hurt. That's all right.
Rachel's finally able to shut it.